Hello, my name is Audronė Whippich, a co-author of Awaken Perfection. Today, we're going to tell you a little bit more about this big book. As you might have noticed, today we live in the world of chaos. Global warming, financial crisis, religious warfare, just to name a few. Have you ever thought, why? And how does it affect you? There are three core areas. One is that we do live in a different world where the old ways that we grew up with no longer apply. Two is that we fell out of touch with that true self-identity, and from there we lost touch with that true meaning in life. Three is that we lost that fine balance between the two universes, the universe of doing and the universe of being. And so you might ask, is the universe of doing is all about survival, and is the universe of being is all about that endless search for that final bliss? Absolutely not. And so this book is unique because it covers it all inside the two parts. Part one being history and part two being mystery. And both of them are very much interlinked. Inside the part one, we dive into this collective story, which is our history. And see, it is very important to realize, to learn where we actually come from in order to understand where we are going. For example, we all know that the modern age is dead. However, the modern age played a significant role in bringing the world together through the internet revolution and the global communications infrastructure. And so now we see this world shrinking in front of our eyes while at the same time it's falling apart. And the challenge that we have today is not only how to play together, but how to grow together. Inside the part two, we explore this mystery that we all live in. The so-called dream. Dream? Well, according to scientists and their current studies and research in quantum physics and quantum mechanics, we learn that there is nothing really solid out there in the universe. Therefore, it means that without the observer, there is nothing to be observed. And that might lead us to another thought, that we're all one. That one magnificent intelligence that we tend to call God. And so for the very first time in history, we're able to see how this puzzle actually snaps together, and how every historical event was necessary in order for us to get to this very point. In order for us to realize that every religious tradition was incomplete without each other until now, and how in this day and age we move above and beyond it, forming this new global consciousness which is very inclusive in its nature. And so we invite you to join us, to join this global consciousness which emerged right here in San Francisco and Silicon Valley, but only if you wish to leap forward, and if you wish to lead your life you truly want.